Hello, I'm Mila Sprouse, Director of Critical Care at Houston Methodist Willowbrook Hospital.
I'm Anjali James, Acute Care Nurse Practitioner at Houston Methodist Willowbrook Hospital.
I'm Tracy Kennan, Cardiothoracic Intensive Care Clinical Nurse Expert at Houston Methodist Hospital. We would like to invite you to the second annual Matters of the Heart on June 18th and 19th, 2020 at the Houston Methodist Research Institute. This year's theme is Structural Advances for the Future. We will explore during this 1.5-day conference the latest guidelines, therapeutic approaches, recent trends, pathophysiology, patient selection, and treatment options for structural heart disease. Attendees will learn via didactic sessions, panel discussions, poster presentations, and hands-on demonstration of the latest devices used to treat structural heart disease.
You will also have the opportunity to participate in small group breakout sessions in the Methodist Institute for Technology, Innovation, and Education. Houston Methodist's one-of-a-kind virtual hospital and training facility offers unparalleled opportunities for hands-on training. This conference offers continuing nursing education credits and is designed for nurse practitioners, nurses, students, and other healthcare professionals in cardiology and cardiovascular specialties.
We invite you to submit abstracts for poster presentation regarding structural heart program, as well as extended lab intensives for mid-level providers. We hope you will join us for the Matters of the Heart, Structural Advances for the Future, and look forward to seeing you in June. Please visit our website to learn more and register for this event. Thank you.